Hey everyone and welcome back. Want to upload pre-recorded audio or video to Otter.ai? Let me show you how and explain the free plan limits. To upload a file, click the import button at the top of your Otter dashboard. Then select your audio or video file. Otter supports MP, 3WAV M4A, and MP4 formats. The file will upload and transcribe automatically. But here's the catch. On the free plan you get only 3 file imports ever, not per month. Lifetime. Once you use 3 uploads, you cannot import any more files without upgrading. Each imported file also counts against your 300 monthly transcription minutes. And remember, the free plan caps each conversation at 30 minutes. So if you upload a 45-minute recording, it will cut off. Your best strategy: save your 3 imports for really important recordings. For everyday meetings, use live recording with Otter Note Taker instead. This does not use your precious import slots. If you need more uploads, consider the Pro plan at $8.33 per month. It gives you 10 file imports per month and 90 minutes per conversation. And that is it. 3 imports total. Use them wisely. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.